Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account. So to do that, open the Steam client and log in to your account. Then in here, you can see now the home page of Steam account or Steam application. Now, click on your account name in the top right corner of your screen. And then select account details from the drop-down menu. On the account details page, click on the link account on the right-hand side of the screen and find the Rockstar Social Club. And then unlink to that Rockstar Social Club entry. Now follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlink your account, and that's it. That's how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.